The driver in the other car said you ran a red light and hit him.
Oh yeah, officer? Let's go to the DashCam Pro.
She crossed over the yellow line and hit me.
Oh yeah? Let's go to the DashCam Pro.
Yep, they're out there, driving recklessly, causing accidents, and driving up your insurance rates. Now protect yourself and capture it all in full high-definition video with DashCam Pro, the personal security camera for your car. DashCam Pro easily attaches anywhere in your car and automatically records both audio and video of everything that happens for as long as your trip lasts.
When I had gotten into an accident with a Border Patrol van, I really didn't remember anything. The officials said that I had run a red light and I was ticketed by local police. When I felt better, I reviewed the footage. It turns out the light was green. My DashCam Pro captured it all, saved me thousands of dollars in legal hassles, insurance claims, and lawsuits.
With our exclusive pivot mount, you can turn DashCam Pro around and flip the screen to capture all those special moments inside the car. Great for road trips. The 120-degree view wide-angle lens captures crystal clear video and automatically adjusts from dark shadows to bright sunlight, so your video looks great even at night. You can review your video immediately right from the unit or download onto a computer or flash drive to easily share or save. DashCam Pro is loaded with high-end features including motion detection, image stabilization, optional time and date stamp, picture mode, automatic startup upon ignition with the included car charger. The built-in SD card slot allows for up to 14 hours of recording time with the option to set video for endless loop recording. The built-in USB rechargeable battery means you can take DashCam Pro anywhere. And because the video records on an endless cycle, you'll never miss a trick with DashCam Pro. It's the most important tool you'll ever own for your car, so call or click now.